What's going on, guys? It's Robert from robertoreed.com, and this is your home for character cryptos and cash flows. And look at what we have here. Let the music play. Let the church bells ring. Check this out, guys. If you currently use the app Robinhood, you are going to like this article. I'm over on TechCrunch, and I saw this article here, and it says Robinhood adds 0 free cryptocurrency trading and tracking. No commission stock trading app Robinhood will let you buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum without any added transaction fees starting in February, compared to Coinbase 1.5 to 4% fees in the US. And as of today, Robinhood will let all users track the price, news, and set up alerts on those and 14 other top crypto coins, including Litecoin and Ripple. Yay! Quote, we're planning to operate this business as a break-even basis, and we don't plan to profit from it for the foreseeable future, says Robinhood co-founder Vlad Tenev. Quote, the value of Robinhood crypto is in growing our customer base and better serving our existing customers, end quote. By essentially using crypto trading as a loss leader instead of its primary business like Coinbase and other apps, Robinhood could substantially expand beyond the 3 million users it already has. Simplifying trading and tracking could bolster Bitcoin and Ethereum, and by combining it with traditional stocks, ETF, and options trading in a single app, Robinhood could further legitimize the cryptocurrency craze. The two trading worlds could cross-pollinate, dragging even more people into the crypto scene. Guys, this could be huge, especially if you're already on the Robinhood app. This could be very, very huge. Keep your eyes open for this. Many of the startups dealing in crypto are upstarts with questionable track records, but 5-year-old Robinhood has raised $176 million from top investors, including Andreessen Horowitz, Index, and NEA, that now value the company at $1.3 billion. There's a clear long-term benefit to rolling up crypto traders and using the feature as a wedge to get them to hold money with Robinhood, where it earns interest, and pay for Robinhood Gold Premium tier for $6 to $200 a month that lets them borrow between $1,000 and $50,000. Here's how Robinhood crypto works. You can instantly transfer up to $1,000 from your connected bank account, more if you have Gold membership, with additional funds coming over slower ACH transfer. The smaller traders, that could eliminate the annoying delays on other platforms that can make you miss a low price you want to buy up. Guys, you know this is a huge, huge thing. You gotta go to your Coinbase, you need to transfer to another platform to get any other coins besides the 4 that Coinbase offers, and then you have to execute your order, and it takes a couple of days for everything to, you guys know, the struggle is real. The struggle is real. The whole crypto section of Robinhood is styled with an 80s Tron design to denote the 24-hour trading window, compared to its day and night themes for when the traditional stock markets are open or closed. When you place a buy or sell order, Robinhood gives you an estimated price, connects to a slew of trading venues, exchanges, and market centers to find the lowest price. And it uses economies of scale to improve the score better prices over time. To counter market volatility, Robinhood puts a collar around your trade, so if it can't execute it at close to the estimated price, it waits for the price to return or lets you know. In case the price of a coin skyrockets or plummets, you can place limit orders to set a price where you automatically buy or sell. Now, here we go, guys. Drum roll, please. The first list of coins you can track is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple, Ethereum Classic, Zcash, Monero, Dash, Stellar, Qtum, Bitcoin Gold, Amigo, NEO, Lisk, and Dogecoin. And here's the reason. Only Bitcoin and Ethereum will be available for trading when that rolls out to waves of users starting in California, Massachusetts, Missouri, Montana, and New Hampshire in February, though more will be added. Now, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the only ones that'll be available for these states there that are listed right there, okay? Quote, we're extremely selective about the cryptos we're making available on the platform, says Tanev. We're introducing those first because these are the most mature coins that people are trading these days. Multiple times people have declared them dead and they've come back stronger than ever. To back up the new Robinhood crypto feature, the company is adding new two-factor authentication options, including integrations with authenticator apps to ensure people don't get their wallets stolen and dumped. Quote, there are several senior world-class people that we've hired recently that are building the system in-house, says Tanev. Still, the move paints a giant target on Robinhood's back. If the company gets hacked or individual users get robbed, it could tarnish the fintech startup's reputation. On a side note, guys, I have to say that if any platform gets hacked, it's gonna tarnish their reputation because this whole thing is built on security, security, security. That's what these platforms are supposed to be built on. And you know there's gonna be a lot of bad guys out there who are constantly trying to hack, but that's an existing problem. But hopefully they have a team when it comes to security that can stay ahead of the hackers. We'll see. Demand for the product was clear, though 100,000 of Robinhood's users were regularly searching for crypto pricing and trading in its app, and 95% of those surveyed said they invest in cryptos if the product supported it. And I am one of those people that would support it. Robinhood even had to send a cease and desist to Robinhood. I know you guys have heard of Robinhood by now. A competing crypto trading app that cribbed its name and raised $10 million in an ICO. Judging by the choices of two top startups, you can see this week as a sign of cryptocurrencies shifting purpose. Yesterday, Stripe removed Bitcoin as a payment option on its platform, and now Robinhood is adopting trading. Quote, people are thinking about cryptos less from a payment standpoint and more from an asset investment standpoint, Tanev explains. As for whether he's personally invested in the crypto scene, Tanev admits, I'm a dabbler, definitely, but I wouldn't say that it's all that significant, end quote. But it's a good fit for his business, which used a lean engineering team to drop stock trading fees to zero, while competitors like Scottrade and E-Trade can charge over $6 per trade to cover their marketing and expansive retail footprint with huge overhead. Now, Robinhood has handled $100 billion in transactions, saving its users over $1 billion in fees. Guys, let that sink in a moment. Save $1 billion in fees to the users. I love it. Let's finish the app. Cryptocurrencies puts power that historically has been held by financial institutions in the hands of the people. I think that lines up directly with Robinhood's mission to democratize the financial system, Tanev tells me. In concluding, we're an established company and we can handle it, end quote. The confidence to burst into the wild west of cryptos could either tank its startup with a massive security fail or greatly boost its traction by aligning with what's become a cultural phenomenon. Guys, this is incredible. If you are currently in stock and using Robinhood, like I am, but I'm mainly in ETFs to be honest, and they port over some cryptos. Wow. And it's going to start with 14 of them. This is good. This is news if you are currently in the crypto space. And if you do have a basket of cryptos, you already know that you probably don't have them on one exchange. How many of you guys out there right now have some cryptos and you're on 3, 4, 5, 6 different exchanges because of where they're available? Now, I'm not saying that Crypto Robinhood will have all the coins. We know they're starting off with 14. Let's see how it happens. Let's see how it goes. And you know, another thought occurred to me is Robinhood is a stock trading app. It does stocks and ETFs, and that's what they've been doing the last 5 years. 0 fees, 0 transactions. And then we have Coinbase, which is the most widely held and widely used crypto investment app, and they have 4 coins. You have Robinhood, who's coming in, and they're going to kick off with like 14 coins. Compare that to Coinbase, who they started off with cryptos. What's going on, Coinbase? You got to step it up, guys. This can be a huge thing. You know, I like it. I think it may be a very advantageous endeavor, but that's what I think. I want to know what you think. Smash the notification button, comment, subscribe, put it in the comment section below. Give me your thoughts. What do you think of Robinhood starting to offer cryptos to its users? They're going to add it at a 0 fee. What? 0 fee trading cryptos. Think about that. Let that sink in. How would that make you feel? That now you can just eliminate your fees for some of your cryptos. I can only imagine. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what you think. See you guys on the next video. Until next time, conquer with cryptos.